EduNect is an e-learning platform aimed at primary schools. EduNect is one of the educational systems of choice for pupils used to review, test, compete, and self-study, and as the pandemic has shown, also a great tool for remote education. Due to the pandemic, user traffic increased significantly, and the existing infrastructure was not prepared to handle the load. To maintain basic functionality on the platform, traffic for new users had to be limited. This was not a feasible solution due to the business model used in the solution. The infrastructure was not designed to allow dynamic resource management and was not capable of auto-scaling. After analysis, Hostercy suggested rebuilding the infrastructure as an auto-scaling group. To facilitate the schedules and intensive software development plans, we introduced AWS CodeDeploy and Terraform for application and infrastructure as code deployment respectively. System and application parameters are stored in the Systems Management Parameter Store. The decision to use Amazon Polly to provide text-to-speech features was made in the initial meetings between Hostercy's DevOps and the application development team. The service can provide natural-sounding speech, which is important, as the majority of users and educators on the platform utilize it for foreign language studies. In the project, we used such AWS services: AWS Elastic Load Balancer, AWS CloudFront, Amazon SES, Amazon EC2 Systems Manager Parameter Store, Amazon S3 stores static application elements, AWS CodeBuild, AWS CodeDeploy, AWS Code Pipeline, Amazon RDS for MySQL, Amazon CloudWatch, Amazon SNS, Amazon Polly. We use their also an open-source infrastructure as code software tool, Terraform. AWS was chosen not for its scalability, but also for its technologically advanced services, which will enable the development of new system functionalities in the future. EduNet has gained a new stable and scalable infrastructure that is capable of handling virtually unlimited traffic generated by the application and website's users. AWS CodeDeploy and Terraform-based deployment allowed to accelerate the implementation and deployment of subsequent versions of the application. Hostercy, Cloud and Server Experts.